Pink Lab's neck cream is being promoted as a powerful anti-aging solution that can tighten skin, reduce wrinkles, and even mimic Botox-like effects. But the real question is whether it actually delivers real results or just relies on strong marketing. Now, the idea behind this isn't completely fake. The formula includes ingredients like peptides, hyaluronic acid, and niacinamide, which are commonly used in skincare to hydrate skin and improve texture. However, here's the key point. Most of the dramatic claims, like lifting, firming, or reversing aging, are based on marketing and brand control studies, not strong independent clinical proof. There are some clear positives. Contains legitimate skincare ingredients that can hydrate and smooth skin. Includes a roller applicator, which may improve application and give a temporary tightening effect. Some users report better texture, slight firmness, and reduced fine lines. For short-term results, this type of product can make your skin look healthier and more refreshed. That said, there are important downsides. The biggest issue is over-promising results. Claims like Botox-like effects or major lifting are unrealistic for a topical cream. Even peptides work gradually and cannot replicate medical treatments. Another concern is temporary effects versus real change. Ingredients like hyaluronic acid mainly plump and hydrate the surface, not rebuild deeper structure. Any tightening effect is usually short-lived. So, does Pink Lab's neck cream deliver real results? Short answer, yes, but only mild, temporary ones. It can improve hydration, smoothness, and overall appearance, but it won't dramatically lift or transform your neck. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.